Pocket Buddha is a set of training solutions to help you learn and use NetSuite. The Pocket Buddha Learning Center provides the ability to create role-specific learning paths for users to follow and learn NetSuite rapidly. Each learning path is a step-by-step sequence of training materials covering a specific user role or process or subject. To access the Learning Center, hover over the Learn tab, then NetSuite Training, and click on Learning Center. The Learning Center displays all learning paths which are available to your current NetSuite role. The active learning path is shown in the center of the page. To switch to a different learning path, just click on one in the Learning Paths area. If the learning path has an assigned technical trainer in your company, then the My Trainer area will be visible. The My Videos area contains any videos which have been assigned to your NetSuite role. Clicking on a desired video will open it. The My Training Guides area contains any training guides which have been assigned to your NetSuite role. Clicking on a desired training guide will display a description and a download button to the right. The Instant Help area displays a list of specific training assets for the current learning path. Clicking on one will display it. The Search area can be used to search against all Pocket Buddha training assets. Just start typing keywords and suggested assets will be displayed. Click on a suggested asset to display it, or if the desired asset is not listed, then tap the Enter key to cause a full search to be performed with the results displayed. To clear the search results and return to the original list of training assets, click the X in the search box. The Learning Path Header area shows an estimated time it should take you to complete the learning path, the current status of the learning path, and a description. Below the header are the sections and individual learning steps that make up the learning path. Clicking the Expand All button expands all the sections. Clicking on the Collapse All button collapses all the sections. To expand a section, click on the section title. Each learning path step has a progress indicator, an icon, and a step name. The play icon means the step has yet to be started, and the Do Not Enter icon means the step may not be started until the previous step is complete. Clicking on a step name will display the related training material for you to study. In this case, a video is displayed. Notice that the progress indicator has now changed to an In Progress icon, and a Mark Complete button is displayed. When done with the step, click the Mark Complete button. Notice the progress indicator is now a completed icon, and the next step is available with the play icon. Clicking the next step displays the related training material directions in the Instant Help area. To continue, click the next section name to open it and carry on with the additional learning steps. If you need to revisit an earlier completed step, then just click on it. Note the pop-up message and click OK to continue. When all learning steps are complete, then the learning path status changes to completed.